Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get quick access to some camera options. Now let's move to the left corner to this settings. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here is the watermark option, so let's tap on it. And here we can add timestamp on photos and also the device watermark. By using these buttons we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need. As you can see, we can add just one of this, we can add both at the same time, and with the device watermark is also connected the custom one, so when we tap on it we can add our own watermark, for example hard reset, and save. But remember that the custom is connected with the device, so you can't add the custom without the phone model. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to show you how this watermarks looks like at the real one. And let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this button we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. The watermarks are here at the bottom, so let's get closer to it. From the left we have Mi 10 Lite 5G watermark, so the device one with hard reset, the custom, and from the right we have the timestamp. Of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the right corner, to the left corner, and pick the watermark. Use these buttons to turn this off. So now when we take another picture, the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.